Hello everyone, in today's videos we are going to solve this exponential equation 3 power x minus 3 power x minus of 1 is equal to 18, and we have to find the value of the x which satisfy this exponential equation. Let us solve this. We can write it as 3 power x can be written as x plus 1 minus of 1. It become 3 power x minus 3 power x minus of 1 is equal to 18, which implies it can be written as 3 power x minus of 1 plus 1 minus 3 power x minus of 1 is equal to 18. Now we have 3 power x minus of 1 bracket and plus 1. We can write it as minus 3 power x minus of 1 is equal to 18. And we know that a power n plus m, it is equal to a power n times a power m. Now we use this identity on the left hand side of this term. We get 3 power x minus of 1 times 3 power 1 minus 3 power x minus of 1 is equal to 18, which implies 3 power x minus of 1 times 3 minus 3 power x minus of 1 is equal to 18. Now we can take out 3 power x minus of 1 from this term as well as from this term out, and we get 3 power x minus of 1 times here remaining only 3 a minus 1 is equal to 18. Now we have 3 power x minus of 1 times 3 minus of 1, it become 2 is equal to 18. Now on the next step, on dividing both side by 2, we get 3 power x minus of 1 times 2 divided by 2 is equal to 18 divided by 2. Now we can cancel out this 2 by this 2, and here remaining only 2 times 9, it become 18. Now the remaining terms is 3 power x minus of 1 is equal to 9, which implies 3 power x minus of 1 is equal to 9 can be written as 3 times 3, which implies 3 power x minus of 1 is equal to 3 power 2. Now it is in the form of a power n is equal to a power m, which implies n is equal to m. We can compare its power. On comparing its power, we get x minus of 1 is equal to 2, which implies x is equal to 2 plus 1, and 2 plus 1 it become 3. Thus the value of the x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Now our final step is to verify either satisfy our equation or not. On taking left hand side, we get 3 power x minus 3 power x minus of 1. In place of x we substitute 3. We get 3 power 3 minus 3 power 3 minus of 1 is equal to 3 power 3. It become 27, and minus 3 power 3 minus 1 it become 2 is equal to 27 minus 3 power 2 it become 9. Thus 27 minus 9 it become 18, which is equal to our right hand side. Thus x is equal to 3 satisfy our given equation. Thus the root of this equation is x is equal to 3. If you're new here, make sure that you to subscribe our channel for more informative video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.